Hey guys, it's I Slay Myself again. I am here to give you an update on my AliExpress hair.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey.
This hair, like, I just don't even know. Okay, so I could really bash his hair really, like for real, but I'm not even gonna try to do that. Because it's doing its job, okay? Y'all seen the hair when I first had it. Y'all seen it? It was like really like long and like frizzy but looked full, right? This is it styled. I want curl the hair. I'm just gonna pull all the hair forward. And as you can see, the hair is so much thinner than what it was. Like, this hair sheds like a fucking rabbit. Okay? Has anybody ever had a rabbit before? Pet it, and your much hair will come out. Like, literally, like, watch. I really don't even like to comb this hair because it sheds so much. And it makes it more thin. I need it to last me, like, at least another month. So, I don't really like to comb it. But let me just show you how much hair sheds out of this. Okay? I'm just going to finger comb it, and I'm going to hold on to every piece of it. Look at this, how nappy it is. Like, that was just 2 finger combs. Okay? And look how much hair has shed. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's okay. I'm gonna put it in my lap. I'm gonna go keep finger combing the hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and collect the hair that sheds because it sheds that much. Like, it sheds a lot. This is it's really wild. Oh, that was a big shed that just came out. And that happens a lot. Like, a big strand of the hair comes out. Now this, y'all can't act like y'all ain't see this. This hair, okay? We're gonna wrap it up in the ball for y'all. So y'all can really see it. Look at that. Not just to me, like, just finger combing the hair a little bit. Like, come on, Cynosure. Like, come on. Like, my weave is so thin, it can hula hoop through a motherfucking Cheerio. Like, I'm not playing. Like, but I mean, it's still cute. Like, when you curl it, it still looks full, but not like hella full. And I know this hair is not supposed to last me a long time, so I'm not really tripping. I'm hoping it can last me another month, and I'm just gonna dye the shit out of it. I'm gonna dye the shit out of it. I'm gonna make it blonde. I'm gonna dye all that, literally. But I still have some Kindred Boutique hair that I have dyed the same color. I'm gonna dye the hair. Well, it's not like dye it. I'm gonna like lighten it and like bleach it. But I have some Kindred Boutique hair that I can add to make it look a little fuller. So then I know it's going to shed even more. But the Kindred Boutique hair will like blend it in and help it out because I need some help. My hair is dry. Like, really dry. You have to really moisturize this hair. Like, a lot. Like I said, I'm going to have to condition it 2 times a week. And I've been conditioning it like once a week, you know, not really a lot. And I have to moisturize it. Like, I have to put coconut oil. I have to put shea butter. Like, I have to put something in it so it won't look dry. Oh, and don't let me not tie this hair up. Like, usually I tie my hair like the first 2 weeks I get it done. After that, I'm like, whatever. But now with this hair, I'm sleep with this hair untied one night. Yeah, shit will be like, you know, you gotta electrocute it the next morning and it'd be stiff. Like, hair has body when you style it. When you don't style it, it's so stiff. It gets so stiff. So every morning, even if I don't like drastically curl it like I did today, I have to like put a wand through it like really quickly for like 15 minutes in order for it not to be like nappy or like stiff. It's crazy. You gotta moisturize it. It's wild. A lot of maintenance goes along with this hair. I originally rated it 2.5 stars. I literally give this hair 1.5. I lost the whole point because it's dry. And the fact that it sheds. Like, I'm at work in the bathroom fixing my hair, and I have to like clean the floor before I leave because people are gonna be like, "Oh, there's hairs everywhere." Like, who is it? They're gonna know it's my hair. I'm the only black girl there. I'm the only one with black hair there. They're gonna know that it's me. So I have to clean up after I brush my hair in the bathroom at work. Like, it's ridiculous. If you know how to take care of hair and keep up maintenance and you need something cheap, then yeah, Cynosure. If you have no experience with hair, don't know how to take care of a weave at all, don't get this hair. You need to be like, I know my hair shit. in order to get this hair, to take care of it and make it look how you want it to look. I ain't bullshitting you. You know, all these other people on YouTube be like, oh yeah, okay, just kind of take care of it a little bit, thinking that you know what you're doing. You know, like, nah, y'all don't know what y'all doing. I didn't know what I was doing with this hair, and I know hair. Like, I'm still struggling. So if you don't know what you're doing for real, just don't fuck with it. Thank you guys for going ahead and watching my video. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Shelly Cocaine, and also subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, ever.